In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can improve from this into this when you have a window in your shot. Hello everyone, welcome to another short tutorial of video and tips. So, to achieve this, there's a simple trick. You first will have to expose your shot, taking in account the window. So, expose it as if you want to film only what you can see throughout the window. You will probably need an ND or a VND filter of some kind. I'm using my ND filter from Polar Pro. Once you have exposed the window shot properly, it's time to place some light so your subject is also properly lightened. In this case, I also placed a whiteboard card so some of the light from the outside window would reflect on me. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you at my next video.